Hi, this is Gab from Fresh Eco Steam Cleaning, and today I'm working on an Infiniti Q50. Customer ordered a package to get the car interior detail, exterior washed and waxed. But one thing that I wanted to show you today was the car. It has some tar from the road. Let me flip the camera around and show you what I'm talking about. All right, so here's some specs right here. It's right underneath the mirror. This is on driver's side. You can see here, hopefully the camera picks it up and it looks real clear for you guys that are looking at the camera. So yeah, as I said, these are not scratches, they're tar. It's tar from road tar. And the customer explained to me that there is a lot of construction that's going on where he drives to go to work, and this is typically how you get tar on your car. They're redoing the roads and stuff, repaving it and so forth, fixing it, and you get tar in your vehicle. So I have my weapons right here, and this is one that I use right here. FW1 Wash and Wax High Performance Cleaning Wax. It helps remove tar, bugs, dirt, tree sap, stuff like that. If this doesn't work, I have my second chemical right here. It's called the Rapid Remover. It's an adhesive remover. You just put it on there and let it sit and it will remove it. So what I'll do here is I'll concentrate on this line right here, and the first thing I'm going to do is my FW1 wash and wax. So I'll shake it up and I'm just going to spray it on there. It goes on real thick, so it holds itself. So you can see we put it on there. So we're just gonna wait a little bit, give it some time to set up, and then we'll go from there. So I gave it about 30 seconds to set up, 30 seconds to about 45 seconds to set up, and now I have a clean microfiber cloth, and I'm going to just go ahead and see if I can remove the stuff. So I'm going to start with this little one right here, and most of it came out. There's a little touch right here. I'm just going to touch it up, and boom, it's gone. It took it off. Let's try this area right here. I'm going to wipe off everything first to see what I'm working with, and you can see that did the trick. Wipe this stuff off here, some more right here. Let me see if I can get this little bit right here. Yeah, did the trick, took it off. So this stuff actually did work very, very well. It took it off. I'm going to try it again. Let's try it right here. Hopefully you can see. This is the line right here. You can see right there. Zoom in as close as I can. Some spots right here. Some spots underneath here. Okay. Right here next to the T, there's a little line. Hit the T and everything. In the side of the door. It's right there. A couple spots right here. Now there's the big one. All right. So I went ahead and hit it again with this here right here, the FW1 cleaning wax, and this time I'm not going to let it set up for so long. The key of this tar here, one thing I want you to know is whenever you're removing tar or anything hard to remove from the vehicle, the last thing you want to do is scrub. You don't want to scrub, you'll end up marring the paint. So all we're going to do is wipe it off. Wipe off, wipe off. Bam, it's gone. Right over here, you remember what the line was? Wipe off, and it's gone. Get that, clean the extra. I'll come back and wipe it down, but let's see it right here. It's gone. Some little residue right here, and this is a clean microfiber. A little residue right here. Put it back on there. Wipe it off. There you go. That came out. Right here in the door. Got that. Right here, a little overspray. Right here. And then what I'll come back in, I'll come back with the steam and just blow that out right there to make it nice and clean. Okay. Most of the stuff is coming out. Down here. Came out. Let me fold this rag up so I got a clean spot. All I'm doing is just wiping off. Okay, so back it down here. This is where majority of it is. Let me switch my hands. You can see down here. A tiny little line right there. What I'll do is, let me clean off all the excess. Let me hit it again one more time. I'll let that one sit a little bit. But yeah, that's pretty much how I remove it with this cleaning wax right here. There's other spaces on the car that I'm going to go ahead and work on and remove it. This right here, I'm going to let it sit for a little bit. But pretty much that's how you do it. You know, it's a beautiful car right here. And that's pretty much how I do when I remove the tar from the vehicle. But yeah, looks good to me. Can't see no traces of it at all. Looks excellent. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish out, take out the little pieces of tar that's there. And yeah, that's it. So once again, this is Gavin from Fresh Eco Steam Cleaning, showing you how to remove tar from your vehicle. Take care.